The best smart telescopes have revolutionized the way we explore the night sky by effortlessly merging imaging technology with astronomy. Designed for both novice astronomers and seasoned stargazers, smart telescopes cater to a wide range of users with different experience levels. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart telescopes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Unistellar Equinox 2 emerges as a notable contender among smart telescopes, securing the prestigious title of the number 5 best smart telescope. Its design, though reminiscent of its predecessor, the Equinox, boasts a sleek and stylish aesthetic, ensuring user-friendly operation, particularly for beginners. The telescope's singular button simplifies usage, enhancing accessibility for novices. With its user-friendly app, the Equinox 2 offers a seamless experience divided into 3 intuitive sections: telescope operation, community engagement, and settings management. The app facilitates swift navigation and delivers impressive views of celestial objects once configured. Notably, its smart light pollution reduction feature caters to urban users, offering breathtaking glimpses of galaxies and star clusters. However, the telescope's lunar views fall slightly short of expectations, priced at $24.90. The Vonis Vespera 2 emerges as a notable upgrade from its predecessor, addressing key concerns such as image resolution. With a significant leap from 2 to 8.3 megapixels, it offers users stunning clarity and detail, making it one of the top contenders in the smart telescope market. The patented live mosaic capture feature expands the field of view by up to 4 times, elevating the resolution to a remarkable 24 megapixels. While its portability is commendable, boasting ease of transport, the limited battery life of 4 hours may pose a challenge, especially during prolonged observation sessions. Furthermore, the absence of a tripod adds an extra expense to its already substantial $15.90 price tag. However, the Vespera 2 compensates with innovative features like live autofocus and image enhancement, utilizing image stacking for real-time clarity. Introducing the Vonis Hestia, ranked as the 3rd best among smart telescopes, promising an unparalleled cosmic exploration experience. Priced at $249 for the solo pack, Hestia brings forth a fusion of innovation and convenience, transforming your smartphone into a gateway to the cosmos. With its enhanced telephoto lens, Hestia empowers users to capture high-resolution images of distant celestial wonders, including lunar landscapes, solar phenomena, and elusive celestial bodies. Its compact and portable design ensures that the mysteries of the universe are within reach wherever you go, inviting you to seize every opportunity for astronomical discovery. Central to the Hestia experience is the Gravity by Vaonis app, meticulously crafted to enhance stargazing adventures. Boasting features such as night and day modes, an interactive celestial map, alignment assistance, and event alerts, this exclusive app elevates your exploration to new heights. Furthermore, as the 2024 solar eclipse approaches, Hestia stands ready to provide a front-row seat to this captivating celestial event. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious novice, embark on a cosmic journey with Hestia and elevate your stargazing endeavors to unprecedented levels of sophistication. The Unistellar EVscope 2 stands out as a meticulously crafted telescope, boasting a sleek, minimalist design and exceptional build quality. In our evaluation, every detail of the telescope exudes thoughtful engineering. The eyepiece provides a familiar touch, enhancing user comfort, although its soft rubber casing tends to attract dust and fibers. Remarkably user-friendly, even for novices in astronomy, the EVscope 2 simplifies observation and navigation with its intuitive smartphone app. With just a tap on your phone screen, it guides users to celestial objects effortlessly. However, its accessibility comes at a hefty price of $51.90, positioning it as an investment for serious enthusiasts or professionals. Operated exclusively through a mobile app, the telescope's reliance on digital technology demands careful consideration of power requirements for outdoor excursions. While the image quality may occasionally lag, the Explore mode proves invaluable, providing accurate celestial object locations tailored to the specific time and date. For astrophotographers, the 7.7 megapixels camera, while not matching traditional telescopic cameras, rivals or surpasses many dedicated astrophotography cameras available. In summary, the Unistellar EVscope 2 presents a compelling proposition, blending advanced technology with user-friendly design. Although its price may be prohibitive for some, its capabilities and performance justify the investment for those able to afford it, offering a glimpse into the cosmos like never before. Say hello to the Unistellar Odyssey Pro, the pinnacle of smart telescopes combining advanced optics with unparalleled portability. Bridging the gap between optical prowess and convenience, this latest offering from Unistellar promises an exceptional stargazing experience. Weighing just 14.3 pounds, the Odyssey Pro is significantly lighter than its counterparts, making it effortlessly transportable to remote dark sky sites. While it may not boast the same resolution as some of its siblings, its portability sets it apart, offering a unique advantage for enthusiasts on the move. Despite a slightly shorter battery life of 5 hours, the Odyssey Pro remains a formidable contender for extended stargazing sessions, easily supplemented by a power bank. Unistellar touts its excellence in deep sky observation and very good planetary viewing, surpassing the performance of its predecessors. Priced at $39.90, the Odyssey Pro represents a worthy investment for astronomy aficionados seeking superior performance without compromising on convenience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.